Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a quick little sauce review today. We're talking about Twst Mango Cream Dream. Now, Twst, everybody knows, has made some pretty good products in the past. We love their honeydew melon chew, so we decided to pick this one up to see if, they make some other good juices. And this juice is pretty okay. I mean, it's not the best juice out there, but it definitely isn't the worst. It's definitely like the name implies, which is pretty cool. A lot of juices you get don't quite taste like what they say they're supposed to taste like, but this definitely hits it right on the money. Definitely good mango on the inhale and nice creamy. The cream though is a little strong. It's definitely stronger than the mango flavor, which is a little disappointing for me because I really like mango flavors. But, the cream isn't bad at all. It tastes good, and it's definitely nice with mango. This juice is cool because it comes in a 60 ml pack, 230 mils, for the price of about 1 1/3 bottles of juice. So, not only is it a good flavor, but it's also a good deal. We got that link down below for a really good price in our description. So, go check it out, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Until next time, peace out.